Today I'm going to show you how to add expense category on Freshbooks. This is a great way to organize your business expenses and keep track of different types of spending, making tax season and financial reporting much easier. First, you'll need to go to the Freshbooks website and log into your Freshbooks account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Freshbooks dashboard. From here, locate the Expenses option on the left navigation menu and click on it. This section is where all your expense tracking happens, so it's important to know where to find it. From here, you can preview all your listed expenses under your Freshbooks account. Take a moment to look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the New Expense button. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down selection will appear with a few options. From this menu, click on Manually Create. This allows you to add expenses directly rather than importing them from somewhere else. Now you'll be taken to the New Expense page where you can input all the details of your expense. You'll need to fill in the fields such as merchant, which is where you spent the money, and description, which gives context about what the expense was for. You'll also see a field for taxes if applicable. As you're filling this out, you'll notice the Add Category option at the top of the receipt image area. This is where the magic happens for organizing your expenses. Click on the category drop-down to see the list of existing categories. If the category you need is already listed, simply select it and you're good to go. However, if the category you need isn't listed, don't worry. You can simply type the category name you wish to add directly into that field. Once you've typed in your new category name, you'll see a plus button appear next to it. Click on that plus button and a new category will be instantly added to your expense list. This makes it incredibly easy to customize your expense tracking to match your specific business needs. After you've selected or created your category and filled in all the necessary fields, make sure everything looks correct. Then, click Save at the top right part of your screen. This will save your expense with the new category attached to it, and that category will now be available for future expenses as well. And that's it. You've successfully added a new expense category on Freshbooks, making your expense tracking more organized and tailored to your business. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.